In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. I welcome you in Pakistan International School Type Virtual Learning System. This is grade 2, third term, and this is mathematics class. Today, I will teach you page 144 and 146, and also table of 9. This is video number 41. Let us start. First of all, I tell you that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, or you can say 1000 milliliter make 1 liter. In the previous videos, I told you about 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, or 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. So like this, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, or 1000 milliliter make 1 liter. So this is the unit of volume. Kgs and grams are units of weight, and liters and milliliters are the units of volume. And we use this one especially for liquid. Capacity, more about the liters. Liters are used to measure quite big quantities of liquid. For larger quantities, containers of greater capacity are used. So, what he's saying, liters are used to measure quite big quantities of liquid. For larger quantities, containers of greater capacity are used. For example, we use liter for whatever 1 liter bottle, 2 liters bottle, 5 liters, 10 liters gallon. Okay. So if the size of the bottle is big, then we can put large amount of water inside that. Okay. And then one is the container that is very, very big, that we use to move the water from one place to another, or especially also move to oil, petrol from one city to another city, okay, in the container. And there is another some big containers which are used to move from one country to another country. So here are some, this is a 10 liter, 5 liter, 2 liter, 1 liter. Aslam wants to empty 100-liter tank of oil. Aslam wants to empty 100-liter tank of oil. Means he has a tank in which 100 liters oil is present, and he wants to empty it. So this is the different part. In this part, uh, he can put 10 liter at a time, in this 5 liter, in this 2 liter, and in this 1 liter. So if he uses his 1 liter container, this is a different container, this is a 1 liter container, how many times must he fill it? So it's mean if there is 1 liter container, so 100 divided 100. Okay, it's mean 100 times he uh, fills that small, because 1 liter is very small, so 100 times he will have to fill it. What is our answer? 100. The second one, if he uses his 2 liter container, this is the 2 liter container, how many times must he fill it? So 100 divided 2. 100 divided 2. So what is the answer? 50. Okay. 200, 2 5s are 10. So what is our answer? 50 times he will fill the 2 liter container. If he uses his 5 liter containers, how many times must he fill it? So this is the 5 liters. So 100 divided 5. So 20. 25 is a 100. 500, 5 2 is 10. So answer is 20. So 20 times he will fill 5 liter container. If he uses his 10 liter container, how many times must he fill it? 10, 100 divided 10. So 10 into 10, 100. Our answer is 100. So it means 100 times he will fill the 100 liter container. Okay. So this is in this discussion, he is trying to tell us about that how can you divide, equally divide anything. Okay. But equally divide. The next page number 146, capacity addition. Here, for example, you have 5 liter bottles and you have also 2 liter bottles. So how many total you have? 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 7 liters. Add this A part, 95 liter plus 49 liters. This L, this is small L, and it is used here for liters. 25 liters plus 49 liters. So we will going to add here, and I told you many times when you add, you subtract, you start from the right side. First, we will add 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4, 9 after 9 count, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, write 4 here. Okay, then 1 will go to at next 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So our answer is 74 liters. Okay, 74 liters. You can write L small or S L big, no problem. B part, 84 liter plus 19 liter. 84 liter plus 19 liter. 9 plus 4, after 9 count, 10, 11, 12, 13, and write 3 here. Okay, and 1 will go to add in next. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. So 84 plus 19, what is the answer? 103. So 84 liters plus 19 liters, answer is 103 liters. C part, 108 liters plus 57 liters. So add this one and start from the right side. First, we will add 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 after 8 count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15. So write 5 here and 1 will go to add into next. 5 plus 0, 5 plus 1, 6. 1 will come as it is. Answer is 165. 8 plus 7, 5, 15. 1 will, you can write here and you can keep in your mind, no problem. Because in the previous video, I wrote here But if you want to write, you write. And if you keep one in your uh, mind, no problem. 8 plus 7, 15. Write 5 and 1 will add into next 5 plus 1, 6 and 1 will come as it is. So answer is 165 liters. People, 47 plus 48 liters. 47 liters plus 48 liters. Again, 8 plus 7, 15, and 4 plus 4, 8, and 1, 9. Which one? Which one? Which comes from the previous addition? 8 plus 7, 15. 1 will go to add into next. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 95 liters. 47 plus 48 is equal to 95 liters. E part. 5 plus 5. This is the milliliters. 105 milliliters plus 100, plus 255 milliliters. So 5 plus 5, 10. 1 add it next. 5 plus 0, 5 plus 1, 6. And 2 plus 1, 3. So 105 milliliters plus 255 milliliters is equal to 360 milliliters. F. 280 milliliters plus 324 milliliters. So 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 2, 10. Write 0 here. 1 will go to add into next value. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. So 604 milliliters. So 280 milliliters plus 324 milliliters is equal to 604 milliliters. G part. 490 milliliters plus 120 milliliters. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 9 plus 2, 11. Write 1 here and 1 will go to add into next value. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So 610 milliliters. So 490 milliliters plus 120 milliliters is equal to 610 milliliters. H part 650, 650 milliliters plus 350 milliliters. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. And this is not, this is 1000 milliliters. Okay. This by mistakes I write here. So you write here 1000 milliliters. This is not 100 milliliters. This is 1000 milliliters. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. And 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So this is 1000 milliliters. Paper. Question number 2. Use addition to solve this. Mr. Hans Ford used 7 liters of petrol one day and 11 liters of the next day. How much petrol was used for the 2 days? So 7 plus 11. 7 plus 11, 18. So 18 in 2 days, how many liters we will use? 18 liters. Okay. This is the B part. At a wedding, the guest drank 215 liters of sharbat and 650 liters of lime juice, lime juice. How much did they drink altogether? So next here, so total. So 215 liters and 650 liters. So how many total? 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And 6 plus 2, 8. So total how many juice they drank in 2 days? 865 liters. See, a restaurant uses 35 liters of ghee and 28 liters of cooking oil every month. How much oil and ghee do they use all together? All together mean total. So 35 liters plus 28 liters, 8 plus 5, 13, 3, write 3 here and 1 will go to add into next value. 3 plus 2, 5, plus 1, 6, 63. So it means total they used 63 liters. Now The last part D, 35 milliliters, 100 milliliters, 650 milliliters, 425 milliliters. So these are four values. A, add the largest and the smallest amounts. So which one is the largest? 425 milliliters, and which one is smallest? 100 milliliters. First, we will add this one. 650. Oh, sorry. The largest one is 650 milliliters, and the smallest 100 milliliters. So we will add this one. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. So 750 milliliters. The second part, add the two middle numbers. The middle number is 350 milliliters and 425 milliliters. We are going to add this one. 350 milliliters plus 425 milliliters. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. And 3 plus 4, 7. Okay. So 775 milliliters. Okay, well, so this is the practice of addition in the shape of liters and milliliters. Now table of 9. This is also the revision. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Okay, so this is the table of 9. You write in your book, notebook, and then memorize, and then again write in your notebook. So now your homework, do page number 145, 44 and 46 in your book, and table of 9 in your notebook. This is the page 144, and this is the 146. You can do this in the book. And if you have already done, so then you can write in your notebook. This is the table of 9. Okay, boys. I hope you understood. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.